Funguy Foodies, welcome to my kitchen. This is something we're going to do from the pig again today. One of these really easy ones. They do all the work. All you have to do is put it in the oven. These are ribeye pork chops with bacon. It's kind of like a filet mignon with bacon wrap, only it's pork instead of beef. And this is made with a smokehouse maple seasoning blend. So everything's already done for you. It's, again, one of these really simple ones. So all you really need, here's the ingredients list. You need your ribeye pork chops with the bacon wrapped from the pig. You need a baking pan, some aluminum foil, pan spray, and a instant read thermometer. That's it. Preheat your oven to 350 right off the bat. First thing you do before you do anything else. Then you bring everything out here and start doing it. Spray your pan, very simple. Open up your product. Set them right in the pan. Leave the toothpicks in them. You notice these are thick. These are a full inch thick. Actually, these are more like 1.5 inches thick. These are very thick. So your thickness is what's going to dictate your time. All right, see, they fit in here really nice, right? So the first thing you do after you rinse off the fingers, because you're picked up the meat because it's a little wet, is cover it with aluminum foil. It doesn't have to be tight because, you know, you're just keeping the steam in a little bit. Stick it in your oven. I'm putting it on the middle shelf, which is easy. Okay. And then you set your timer for 40 minutes. I don't have, I'll use this one here today. Just realized I have the, oops. Having one of these days here. 40 minutes. Start. Okay, that is going. Okay. By the way, remember, Steinberg's Piggly Wiggly and Delavan, they are our meat sponsors. Matter of fact, they're the ones who put this meat together for you. When you're in a hurry, this is great. As soon as you get home, you start your preheat oven, put the stuff in there, pop it in the oven, set your timer, do the things you need to do before, dinner. The other thing you're going to need is, this is an option. We're going to put shredded cheddar cheese on top of this, but you don't put it right away because it's just going to melt all over the place. When we pull this out at 40 minutes, because these are thick, I'm sure they're not going to be quite done. We're going to use our meat thermometer. Make sure that it is at 160. We want it at 160. If it's really close to 160, we can put the cheese on there and pop it in there for another 10 minutes while the cheese melts. If it's done already, we're going to put the cheese on there and do a broiler on it for 2 minutes to make the cheese melt. We'll come back to do that a little bit later. But really, that's how easy this is. All right? We'll see you in a little bit. Welcome back, Funguy Foodies. I was a little rushed earlier. I apologize for speaking fast. Hopefully it's not going to be too bad once the show is edited out. This is the time of year where everything goes crazy for me because I have the 3 different businesses. We're working on building a wedding barn venue and a shop for the buses and stuff. So everything's going fast when it comes time for dinner time. I don't have a whole lot of time, which is one of the reasons why I chose this particular meal. Because literally, I put everything in that pan, stuck it in there. I'm going to say that took less than 3 minutes. That's incredibly fast. So now the timer just went off after 40 minutes. We're going to check the temperature and see how it is. And let's see what, should have had my glove out. Okay, let's see what we got here. Ooh, look how good these look. All right, remember I said we needed to be 160. I don't know if it's quite there. It is there already. This one's a little light, but that's good because we're going to go 10 more minutes. Yep, perfect. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add the cheese, put it in for 10 minutes, then it's done. So I might as well do that while you're here. Trying to remember if there was something else that I was going to do today. Obviously, we're going to make something to go with it, probably pasta or rice. I'm not sure which route I'm going to go yet, but just put your cheese right on top. Get whatever thickness you want. I'm going to empty this bag. I used it earlier also on a different product. All right, and then we'll just stick it back in the oven. We'll set the timer for 10 minutes. All right, there we go. I will be back in just a few moments for you, 10 minutes for me, and we should be ready. All right, Fun Guys Foodies, just get here. The timer just went off. Our timing's good here. Let's shut this off. Take these out, see how it looks. Oh yeah, cheese is melted perfectly. Let's double check the temperature here. Oop, I forgot. You have to close it and then reopen it to restart it. I had it open because I had washed it. Whenever you poke meat of any kind, wash it before you poke again. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. And that's perfect. All right. This is it. I made teriyaki rice to go with this. This is going to be our dinner tonight. Very simple. Very little of your time is used in this because all the prep work was pre-done. You're just putting it in the oven, pulling it out once to check the temperatures, adding the cheese, putting it back in there, setting the timer, get the rest of the dinner ready. Presto changeo, we're all done. I hope you enjoyed the show. I'm Funguy The Entertainer, cooking for you.